So St. Jude is like our partner. We've had a partnership with them since 1999. So we've been fundraising for St. Jude since 99. And we're actually, Miami's chapter is the top fundraising chapter in Ohio. And we're the third fundraising chapter in the nation for our chapter size. When we did the cookbook, I was the Philanthropy Chair for our chapter of Tri Delta at Miami University. And our St. Jude rep had mentioned that somebody did an online cookbook for COVID. And that's kind of what inspired me to kind of go and research real, like hard copy cookbooks, because we wanted to find a way to engage all of our sisters during like COVID that would still be virtual, but still create a product that would be like hard forever and like last a lifetime, especially that we could like look back on while still raising money for St. Jude, which was really cool. So that's kind of what inspired the idea of the cookbook, I would say, and it ended up working out really well.